Hi, my name is Casey Kennedy, and I'm going to be leading you through a tutorial for a resource called Parlay. I chose this resource because it was one that was mentioned in the AASL article that I wanted to learn more about. And to start, you can open up any web browser. This resource works best on laptops and iPads. It also integrates with Google Classroom and Microsoft Single Sign-On accounts. The website that you will type in is parllayideas.com. And the first thing that you will probably notice is that this resource is something that will help facilitate digital discussions in your classroom. Before we create an account, if you click on the pricing tab up at the top, you will notice that they have different options based on your need as an educator or as a school. So we're going to go back to the home page. You can create an account by clicking in the pink box for teachers. And then you just put in the information that you want to use as a sign-on. Okay, so this is what it will bring you to. To start a discussion for your classroom, you will click on New Roundtable, and then you will have your list of classes. If you go in and create your classes, you will click on the one that you would like. Then you can choose if you want just a online discussion or if you would like a live discussion that happens live with real time face to face. You also have the option to pull discussion topics from the ones that educators have already created on the Parlay website, or you can create your own. So Parlay has a wide range of different types of topic. Something that I appreciate is that they include grade levels that topics would be appropriate for. So you will find one that you would like to do in your classroom. And then you will see in this rectangle, it shows you what the students will see once you have this assigned to them. It tells them the learning goals, the content. It will usually include a video. Then it will tell them at the bottom the discussion questions they are responding to, and then what they need to do for peer feedback for that discussion. If this is the one that you would like to assign, you're going to click Use this topic. And then this is the teacher dashboard version of what you will see on Parlay. There are a few different options that you can change on here. You can change if students' names are seen or not seen with their responses. You can change if this discussion will be assessed or not and how it will be assessed. You can also give them prompts for peer feedback questions based on the type of discussion that it is. You can also include your own questions in here as well. So to invite the students to this discussion board, you will click this invite button in the corner. They can type in the code or you can share the link. And then like I mentioned, you can also include it on your Google Classroom accounts or Microsoft. At the end of the discussion, when students are done, you can click on Summary and it will give you a wide range of feedback. It will give you class-wide feedback as well as individual feedback for students. And you can also export this data once you receive it and print it off if you would like to. So here are some examples of the feedback you can receive. So just some suggestions about how this can be used in your classroom. I, as a fifth grade teacher, soon to be sixth grade teacher, see myself using this as morning work. Also during my writing block, I feel like this would be beneficial to teach them how to have respectful discussions. And also you could leave this for guest teacher plans or sub plans, something easy that you can assign from home that once students know how it works, they can do easily without the help of their normal classroom teacher. I think that based on the discussion prompts, this can fit into the apply, analyze, or evaluate on Bloom's taxonomy. And the SAMR model, I believe this fits into the augmentation section because it is just a discussion tool that can be used in the classroom, but it has some functional improvements that include media and things that students can add to their discussion. So thank you for listening.